The Nike LeBron 23 from this point forward celebrates one of the biggest moments in LeBron James' rise to superstardom. Inspired by his legendary Sports Illustrated Chosen 1 cover in 2002, this new colorway honors the exact point where his life and career exploded onto the national stage. Dressed in white, green, and gold, the design pays tribute to the iconic St. Vincent St. Mary uniforms he wore while dominating high school basketball with a rare mix of IQ, strength, and floor general play style. The theme highlights how LeBron redefined the point forward role long before the NBA welcomed him as the #1 pick in the 2003 draft. Nike continues its story-driven celebration of LeBron's milestone year with this highly anticipated release, scheduled for December 2, 2025, in men's and big kids sizing on Nike.com. Perfect for fans, collectors, and sneakerheads tracking every LeBron drop.